Never a dull moment in entertainment. Here's the Intense 5.
See, I told ya, Burna is coming, okay? The announcement was finally made. December 18 is the date. TJ is now the brand ambassador for Youths for Excellence. This is a big deal. Big up TJ! Cartel has dropped a new EP titled True Religion. It's out now. Reggae singer Savannah was spared jail time and instead fined $300,000 and 2 years suspension on her license. Prayers up for all involved. And finally holding the #1 spot this week, Grammy nominations are out. Who made the reggae list? Only Jamaicans. So we have Coffee, Kabaka Pyramid, Shaggy, Sean Paul, and Protege. Congrats, guys.
That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. So he's young.